Ever heard of a black box? Sounds like some shady mystery gadget straight out of a spy movie, right? Maybe a box which is literally black and full of secrets. Well, plot twist. It's orange. Yup, it's not even black. Hi, I'm Priyanshu Mishra, a final year student of University Institute of Tourism and Hospitality Management. And welcome to CU Explainers, where tricky questions get their glow-ups. So, black box is basically the flight's memory card. It records everything: pilot conversation, engine details, and the data from the cockpit, so that in case of any accidents, investigators know what went down. And the best part, it stays intact even in the worst disasters. Example, think of it like your Snapchat memories. Even if you forget what you posted, the app still has the receipts. That's what a black box does for the airplanes. It keeps the truth logged in. So, next time you hear a black box, don't picture a scary black cube. Picture a bright orange lifesaver that tells the real story of every flight.